Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a special stitch. Its name is Pike stitch. This stitch uses the extended single crochet and chain one, and to make this pattern we require an even number of stitches plus 2 chains. Okay, to work this and show you, I am going to use Craft Brown Hobby Store Aran weight 100% premium acrylic anti-pillion, medium weight 4 with 2011. And a small suggestion, before you buy any yarn, please go through each and every information given on the yarn label. If the yarn label is not complete, that means it's not professionally made. So your yarn basic information should be available on all yarn labels. So that means they are tested and tried and they are branded. Okay, so I will make the required number of chains and get back to you. I have made the required number of chains, that is 12 plus 2, 14 for my small demonstration unit. So make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, chain 1, skip 1 chain and make an extended single crochet. So to make the extended single crochet, insert the hook in the stitch marked, pull up the loop, first yarn over, pull through 1 and yarn over, complete the single crochet. Again chain 1, skip 1, extended single crochet. This is the pattern repeat. Chain 1, skip 1, extended single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, extended single crochet. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. I am left with last 2 chains. So chain 1 and place the extended single crochet in the very last stitch here. Now chain 3 for the row 2. Skip the extended single crochet, that is skip the chain space and this first extended single crochet and place 1 extended crochet in the next extended single crochet. So this chain 3, turning chain 3 counts as 1 single crochet and 1 chain space there. Instead what you can do is chain 1, turn, the chain 1 does not count as a stitch, make a single crochet here, chain 1, skip this first stitch and make an extended single crochet in the extended single crochet of the previous row. So you will have a small loop like structure in the stitch. This loop will be seen in every stitch and here is where you need to work your stitches or place your stitches. So again chain 1, it is EXSC chain 1. It is EXSC chain 1. This is the pattern repeat and row after row this is your pattern repeat. You need to make a chain 1 in between. And place your last extended single crochet in the very last stitch. So again chain 1 and turn, single crochet here, chain 1, then EXSC chain 1, EXSC chain 1. You are working on the extended single crochets only row after row. You are not working in the chain spaces. If you need to stagger your stitches, you can work in the chain spaces. So that will give a different pattern. Chain 1, extended single crochet, chain 1, extended single crochet, chain 1, extended single crochet in the very last stitch here. So if you feel the stitch is not placed well, you can work from behind. So this will give a straighter edge. That is, insert your hook from behind, pick up the loop. See, the edge, side edges are straight here. So row after row you continue this pattern, repeat, and this is how it will look, and it is a reversible pattern. And it's a versatile stitch. You can use it in combination with other stitches too. So thank you friends for viewing this video. I shall be back with yet another stitch in the next video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload day after day. Thank you friends. Have a great day.